This video is sponsored by Viltrox.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a really cool video for you guys. Not only the pictures are like absolutely beautiful, we just finished the photo shoot, but I'm going to be reviewing the new Viltrox 85mm 1.4 Pro. Really cool lens. Right up my alley. You guys know that I love my 85s. I'm going to also compare it to the Sony 85mm 1.4. And I just thought, why not also compare it to the Canon 85mm 1.2, just to give you, just to show you the difference of what 1.2 and 1.4 can do, or also is there really a big difference between them? So yeah, let's just get straight into the video.
Alright, here are the specs. Feel free to pause if you want to read through them. You guys know I don't usually get too deep into the numbers. I care way more about how the lens feels in the final image. But honestly, everything looks pretty solid here, especially considering the price, $600. When I first saw it, I'll admit I thought, how good can it really be at that price? And this was actually my first time trying Viltrox lens, and I was really pleasantly surprised. And I think you'll guys be as well when you see the images, especially compared to the Sony 85 1.4 GM2, which costs 3 times as much. So to test out this lens, I went with the very typical Irene styled photo shoot. Beautiful model, golden hour, lots of greenery, cute outfit, thrifted of course, and some flowers as props. On location, I looked for spots that would give us that dreamy backlight and lots of bokeh. We did start a bit earlier than I usually like, so the backlight was really strong. Which actually made for a great test for the autofocus, especially with the model wearing that hat, which made locking onto the eyes even more of the challenge. So here I have 3 images, one shot with Viltrox lens, then we have the Sony lens and the Canon setup. All images were shot wide open, and also all of them were set to the same white balance at 5500 Kelvins. Can you guess which one is which? Drop your guesses in the comments, and here is the reveal. So Canon is obviously the warmest, and you can also tell that it's f1.2 because the bokeh circles are slightly larger. But now, between the Viltrox and the Sony, I was actually quite surprised by how much the Viltrox affected the color tones. If you remember, both of these images are shot on the same camera with the same exact settings, so the differences that you're seeing in the color and the contrast, just overall appearance, are pretty much solely dependent on the lenses here. The Viltrox is obviously warmer. It also seems to have a little bit less contrast, while Sony has that typical kind of cool green tone to it. And then I think also the highlights look a little bit brighter and the shadows look a little bit deeper. Let me know which one out of those two you prefer. For me personally, just based on my aesthetics, I am leaning more towards Viltrox, but it is very subjective, and I know that opinions will vary. So again, let me know in the comments what you think.
I really love these. There's like spots where I can see the fans that I don't like. Are you okay sitting just on the floor here? Yeah. Would you mind doing like the same thing, just like literally like in here? Oh, love. Oh my God, these are so cute.
Okay, so how about comparing these images when they are already fully edited? I tried to make them look as similar as I possibly could, which was a little bit hard because they have such different undertones with the skin color, the greens, the shadows, the highlights, but I did my best, and let me know if you can guess which one is which. And here's the reveal. So I personally think that these look pretty much the same, and if you were viewing these on Instagram, you definitely wouldn't know which one is which. The only real difference I saw is when I started to really pixel peep. So here's the Viltrox versus Sony side by side, and if I zoom in at 300%, you'll notice that Sony is sharper and the image has more detail. I tried sharpening Viltrox image a bit more, and it does get better, but the detail in the Sony is still looking noticeably better. So that said, in my opinion, this is only noticeable when you really zoom in a lot. I took a bunch of close-ups with Viltrox and they all looked really great to me. I think the sharpness is totally acceptable, especially for portraits. And honestly, I didn't even think that these were not sharp enough until I really started comparing them with the Sony at like 300%. So yeah, I think they look great, but let me know what you think. So one more thing that I noticed when using Viltrox and Sony lenses side by side is that the Viltrox flares way more when shooting into the sun. And honestly, I kind of love it. You guys know I'm a sucker for flares. That's why I never use a lens hood. My Canon lenses usually flare a lot as well, and I've always loved that about them, so it made me really happy to see Viltrox kind of do the same. I just love slightly imperfect lenses and the softness that they give, and sometimes I feel like Sony lenses are just so technically perfect that they start to look almost too digital and like too mirrorless. I mean, I still can get the Sony to flare, it's just a little bit different. So the look I got with Viltrox, it kind of actually reminded me a lot of the images I used to take with my old Canon DSLR lenses, like my old EF 85 1.2, and you know I'm all about that. But I think that's enough comparing for now. So let me just show you the more pictures I took with Viltrox, so just keep watching.
Oh wow. Yes. Wow, these are so beautiful. I'm like in love with today's shoot, so cute. Yes. Oh, that's cute. Okay, but I wanted the flowers away for now because I want you to play around more with this stuff. This spot, like right here, where you could just really kind of go, but I still want you to see your face because this one will be kind of in your face. So you can kind of like hold it with both of your hands like this, and you can kind of, or you can like hold on to like the skirt here or something. Actually, your hands down here, I just want like the face. Hands fully down, yes, yes. Just do like the same kind of pose. Yes. There's a really nice like light coming through. Oh yes. Actually, what if you look to this way? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We chose this new spot because we have like tons of these, the trees are really beautifully backlit, and like shooting at 1.4, this is just gonna look so blurry and like fantasy. Oh my god, yes, it looks so good. What if you go like this with the back and like do your hands kind of like, yes. Cute. Love. Yes. Actually, and you know what? Would it be nice to get like the side of your face, but looking this way? Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, a little bit more towards me. Less. Go back. Oh, stay. Okay, do not move now. I'm just gonna move your hair away because I want to see like just the silhouette of your face, and it's like perfectly in the spot right here. That's cool. Oh, beautiful. And with your hands, kind of hold this. Ooh, okay, okay, your face. Do not move your face, please. But with your, drop that grass and just hold on to your skirt. This looks like such a fairy tale. Absolutely insane. Yeah, oh, you know what? Can you do a little twirl for me here? Yeah, just kind of keep like playing around twirling. gonna put this on high-speed continuous shooting, and we're just gonna, yeah, go ahead. Cute.
So here are the pictures that I took with the high-speed continuous shooting, and the model is moving quite a lot. Also keep in mind that this is very, very backlit, so it's making it even harder to focus on the eyes, and it is pretty far away. But I think it did pretty damn good. Pretty much every single picture is in focus. There was maybe like one that was a soft focus, but pretty much all of them were really nice and sharp, so I think it did pretty well.
What if you like go down here like this? Yeah, I want to see if I can get like just like a nice port. Ooh. Oh yes, I can. Wow. Wow. Okay, one sec. I do want to give you those flowers again. Maybe we switch again for the hat. This one seems more rustic, this area. Oh my god, this is so cute. Cute. Love. There's just a little bit of the bangs. Yeah, try to keep them to the side. Yeah, there you go. Yes, oh, I love that. I love, yeah, like you're reaching out like that's really nice, yeah. Yes, beautiful. Whoa. Oh, beautiful. Kind of like as if you're like walking on it, you know? Oh yeah, that's really cute. Yeah, bring the hat a little bit like more. Don't actually fall, please. Cute. Yeah, cute. Yes, oh, I love that. Can we, you know what, take off the hat. Just, oh, you know what, hold the hat with your hand with the flowers, yeah. Yes, beautiful. Wow. So you could be standing on that rock kind of, or like kind of like sitting and then like, you know. Yes. Oh wow. That's beautiful. Okay, so just here, grab your hair just on this side, put it over like your, yes, yeah, you can leave like few strands, yeah. I just want to see your face so it like doesn't fully close. Love. Now can you stand here, just standing, fully like standing? Yeah. And also here, Yes, maybe, or like just looking to the side, like fully your face to the side. Yes. Yes. Okay, now let's get in the water. But just really take your time because they're slippery. I mean, just get, sure, try whichever spot you think you can do. Yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love. Oh, okay. You're gonna do that, but don't lean your body too far. Stay more, even like more this way. No, kind of like, look, no, the other way. No, the other way. Yes, this way. But then here, open up your chest. Yes. And then maybe with your hand, is it possible to put the hand somewhere further? Almost? There's no way, huh? Okay, yeah, try that. That would have been perfect. Yes. Okay, stay there. I need to be like further. Wow. That's beautiful.
So, overall, what do I think about the Viltrox 85mm 1.4 Pro? I really enjoyed it. I think it packs a punch and it's an absolute bokeh monster. The autofocus is solid. It's not too big, not too heavy. It's kind of imperfect in like a good way for me. I had a lot of fun using it. And for $600, you really can't go wrong. It definitely has my approval for dreamy portraits. I also got the Viltrox 35mm 1.2 lab lens. Would you guys like me to review that one next? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any other questions, I'll make sure to answer them down below. As usual, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!